Hello everybody, my name is Aaron, and you are looking at an MSI gaming laptop with an i7, a 7700 in it, and a GTX 1060. I opened it up, and this is what happened. The hinge completely failed and pulled the entire screen apart. So this laptop has not been abused, this is regular use. How we're going to fix that today is I've got some epoxy here that I have just finished mixing, and we're going to put it in the hole. Close it all up, let it dry for a couple hours, and we'll see what happens. But this is pretty much the only way to fix that, unless you've got a pretty crazy warranty and a bunch of time on your hands. So we're going to prop it open like this and start inserting epoxy. You want to go up underneath the hinge where everything failed. There it is. You want to try and keep it off the exterior because, yeah, you don't want to see it every day. So also try and keep it off your screen. I wouldn't recommend getting it in your hinge. You can probably break it free later, but it will most likely harden up the hinge a bit. We're doing the top as well so that the plastic will hold, because the plastic's got to go back down. I'm going to do a bit on the around the back of the hinge. I'm just covering the whole hinge now, so just so the plastic will hold. Yeah, this is going to be a rough hinge. I think that's pretty much good. Let me see if there's anything left here. So now, put it all down. We're going to use some clamps to hold it all in place. So it's tilted forward. There it is setting. It's holding pretty well. I was a little late on the excess overspill cleanup, so there's going to be some notice of this. But here is the brand that I was using. It's just dollar store epoxy. It's pretty much, it's like a bucket tube. So we'll see if it holds. If it doesn't, I'll be using something like weld plastic or something like that. But a lot of this is aluminum too. I don't know, we'll see. But we'll leave it for at least a couple hours. Should do 24. And then we'll play with the hinge. We'll see how well it holds. So the update on the hinge, it's been about 3 hours. As you can see, we can see a little bit of dried glue off to the side. But honestly, if you're looking dead on, it's really hard to notice that that's been glued. The real question is, did the hinge hold? Now, keep in mind, 3 hours into it, but so far, you can see a little bit of a ripple right in here with the plastics. I may need to push that in and glue that in as well, but that's, you can't hardly even notice that. So, closing it, and we're opening it. And there's nothing going on with the hinge. There's no weird stuff. It's just opening. So now we're opening the hinge. I don't see any funny stresses. I don't see anything weird happening. That is holding. Thank you all for watching. If you want some more, hit up the channel. See you next time. Ciao.